African salad abacha is a delicious West African native food to the Igbos, people of Igbo. Abacha, as the Igbos love to call it, is one of the most popular food in the eastern Nigeria. It serves birds as kola to visitors. As a matter of fact, there are villages in the eastern part of Nigeria that only offer ogba and abacha to visitors, and even visitors have come to love and desire the delicious delicacy. Hello and you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blessing. Welcome to Baby Kelez Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking to watch today's video. If you are new, you are welcome. Please, if you would like what you see in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make eggplant African salad. You heard me right. And if you want to see how I make it, let's dive right into today's video. So here is my dry shredded cassava. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add hot water to it. That is well boiled water. Okay, set it aside to allow it to soften. So here is my bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl to mix the ncha ncha, that is what they call it. Okay, so this is my ngo. You can also use potash or baking soda for this, but I'm using ngo. Where I come from, as I am, we use ngo. Okay, so you can use any of your choice, either ngo or potash or baking powder. So I'll go ahead and add my red oil, mix everything together. You guys know that cooking is all about mixing. Once I'm done mixing, I'll go ahead and season it with salt and my nut powder. Add fresh pepper. I'm using blended fresh pepper for this. You can use dry pepper. I'll be adding ogiri, fermented melon. If you don't have ogiri, you can skip it, it's optional. Okay, okay guys, here is my mackerel fish. I'll be using this mackerel fish for garnishing. Okay, I've already smoked it off camera. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this ncha to marinate it. I think, yeah, just to marinate the mackerel fish, because I want it to have the taste of this abacha. All right, I will set that aside. Please, if you know what ncha means in English, you can leave it in the comment section. I don't know what ncha means, but that is what I know they call it. Okay, yeah, I'll go ahead and add my onion, my diced onions. I'm going to cut the eggplant. I'm done with eggplant. I'm going to add it in the ncha. Should I call this in abacha sauce or what? Hey. Add the abacha African salad. I'll be adding the African salad bit by bit, okay? When I add, I'll mix, add and mix, okay? I garnished it with some onions, mackerel fish, eggplant and some spinach vegetable. Okay, over here we don't have yeah, that is the garden egg leaf. Okay, yeah, so I'll be using what I have at my end, and try it with this spinach. You're gonna enjoy it. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Do take it to your kitchen to make and enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.